What's going on YouTube? This is Andre Classic Cuts reporting live with another video, and in this one specifically, I'm basically going to go into details on actually using another type of app to actually get your money when you get in. You're basically talking to clients and you're basically trying to cash out. What I mean by that, most people they'll use either this one, which is the actual swipe Square Cash, and then there's like a other one that's called the Cash App, which is an app that basically don't have this at all. You pretty much take out the middleman. But with this one, 3% on a dollar pretty much get taken out of your amount of money, versus the actual Square Cash App, which doesn't have this at all. You pretty much don't have any percentage that's being taken from the dollar. So what I'm gonna do is just go in and give you a little tutorial of both of the apps and just show you why you should go with the Cash App. All right, let's get into this video. So what really inspired this video is the fact that this summer I had went up north to go work, and I realized that I had to actually go to a barber because my barber equipment was not coming in time, people. I had to let somebody else cut my hair. I had to let another barber cut my hair until my barber equipment ended up getting to me in Michigan. And as you guys know, I'm from Houston, Texas, so I didn't have no choice but to go to a barber, which I didn't know. I didn't know anything about the barber. I just showed up. After I got the cut, I realized that he asked for my credit card. And he asked for the actual, he had the actual swiper, like this thing. And I was like, man, this thing is like so outdated. Like none of the barbers in Texas that I know still use this. Like this is like so old. Like I still have this one in my barber case for the past 2 years, and I haven't even touched it. And I just thought it was amazing that people are still using this. So basically what this video is going to basically show you guys is basically how to get rid of this altogether. Not completely, because I mean some people they won't have this app that I'm about to show you guys, but this is mostly geared towards your regular clients that you cut on a regular basis. You can save so much more money by using this app. It's called the actual Cash App. It's green, and the difference between that and the actual Square Cash App is this one take off 3% on a dollar for every single dollar that is being swiped on whichever type of haircut you do. So 3% of what your entire business is going straight into the Square company, versus the actual Cash App company, where it's you can actually get the exact amount, not having to pay any fees or anything. Just use the app and you can get all of your money 100% straight to you. It may take maybe a day, maybe 2 days. You may get it the exact same day, but the only difference is with this app, you may have a delay of the time that you'll actually get the money, maybe a day or two. Some days though, you could get it the exact same day. But with the actual Square, you may have to wait 1 day, and you may get it the same day. Either way, both of them is pretty much the same amount of time that you'll end up waiting. So I just feel like if you go with the actual Cash App, it's free. You don't have to worry about any percentage being taken out. Versus actually using the Square Cash App, you'll get 3% taken out of your entire business. Let's get into this app. I'm gonna give you a tutorial on both apps, this one and the other one. I actually have a video that I made back in the day when I first used this, and exactly how to get one of these for free. And that's pretty much it. Let's get into this video. Jumping straight into the Cash App, so let's just get straight into it. So to your left hand side, you actually have your profile where you can create your account. As you can see, mine is a $, Andre Classic Cuts. If you guys want to drop some coins into my bucket, feel free to do that. Also, as you can clearly see, you have the actual cash where you can link your bank account, and right below that, you actually have a Bitcoin area where you can actually get Bitcoin and exchange Bitcoin through this app, man. It's pretty dope. I mean, the other ones before they could also do it, but it's just cool that this one also have that feature. You also can have the ability to actually get a card for the Cash App. So your money you get, it could just go to a separate card. So when you actually put in your amount, you can actually go here and you'll actually put a $sign in the front. That's how the username is set up. And then from there, where it says pay, it's pretty much like a receipt. You can say why you're paying this to this specific type of person. Also, all of your contacts will also be synced into the app too with other people who already have the Cash App, which is really convenient. And if you're trying to actually pay to someone, you can just click pay. Same thing with the $sign actual user, and then basically put a receipt and say why you sending it or why you're paying the money, and then it's pretty much it. And then to the right hand side, you have your actual money that's pretty much been brought in and is pending and is going to your bank account. As you can clearly see, I did a few cuts earlier, and that's basically saying the money that's on the way. So that's the whole Cash App from start to finish already. It's that simple. All you have to do is just link your bank account, and on top of that, you don't get any percentage deducted. And I pretty much already made a video about the Square Cash App one and how to get one of these for free. All you do is just swipe the card, take out 3% of however much that you actually request, get approved, you write your signature, and that's pretty much it. If you're a barber, definitely go download this Cash App. It's the best way to go. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to your boy Andre Classic Cuts, and make sure y'all hit that bell right there so y'all be notified every single time I drop new heat. And more importantly, I'm always on like Twitter or Instagram, but mostly Instagram, and I try to like follow back every single person, and I drop pictures of my cuts on a regular basis. So if you follow me on Instagram, I'll follow you back instantly. And I'm out.